The question reads, the histogram below shows the number of candidates in thousands obtaining given ranges of marks in a state examination. How many candidates scored at most 30%? How many candidates scored at most 30%? Now the question is testing the knowledge of histogram. That is the basic knowledge of histogram. And histogram is one of the statistical graphs we use to interpret data. Now let's look at histogram. Let's study this histogram and see. Here is the origin. The origin. And the origin here, you can see that here is 1 centimeter. That means 1 centimeter represents 5,000 units. Since these are in thousands, so we have, yes, 5, 10, 15, 20. So here is 5,000 candidates, 10,000 candidates. So 1 unit represents 5,000 candidates. That means here is 5,000, here is 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, and so on. Why the horizontal axis here represent the scores? You see those that score 10, those that score 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Alright, so but the question says we should find how many candidates scored at most 30%, at most. And that means those that scored 10, 20, and 30. Those that scored 10, 20, and 30%. Now, from our histogram, we can see that those that scored 10%, they are 5. Those that score 20%, they are 10. Then those that score 30%, they are 20. So, the number that scores at most 30%, they are 5 plus 10 plus 20. And since we are told that this is in thousands, so we can now say multiply by 1,000, which gives us 35,000.